On this episode of Simply Sweet Homestead, Overpriced Kites. It happened. The wind picked it up. The only thing that stopped it. Hold on, let me get this done. Well, dragging this into the garage so it doesn't blow away. You can't see it, it's messed up. I'll show you guys here later whenever we go out to do chores. It's messed up. I had to take the audio out because it was so windy. You could barely hear what I was saying. So with this is the frame. This is what I walked out to. And you can see right there and right there, it's real bent. Like right here, I'm going to try to get you down low so you can see like a flat shot. I mean, here it's a good couple inches. I mean, it's up to my knuckles. So it's all bent and everything. Yeah, that's supposed to be straight. The only thing that stopped this thing from taking off was the swing set right next to it. And luckily the rabbits weren't in there this time. We actually took tent stakes and rope and we put it over the top of it thinking that would hold it down. Unfortunately, it didn't. A couple days later, it actually took off again. And this time the rabbits were in there. We have a total of 4 rabbit hutches or cages or rabbit tractors, whatever you want to call these things over here. The big one flipped completely over. 2 of the other ones flipped over. The rabbits in the big one, they got out. Luckily, everyone was okay. So Sunday, my dad and my brother went ahead and windproofed it as best they could with wood, and they anchored it down quite a bit. With this being said, fingers crossed it does not take off again. He went ahead and put the beams there, and these are down in the ground quite a bit, and they're screwed in there. But he's got it on a base, and it's got a whole frame. So far, so good. That's all we got today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might enjoy this video. Take care and God bless.